Page 18, racing bikes. It's another thing where we get to wiggle our fingers a bit. Just look it over. It's 4 lines long, treble bass clef 4/4 time signature. The right hand is playing the first 2 lines and the left hand is playing the second 2 lines. Mostly quarter notes, but there's dotted half notes too. So the right hand is here. Let's just do the first 2 lines. The right hand, you're here, and then quarter notes. And I trust you know the names of the notes in the music. If you don't, you need to be studying these notes back in the method book, because this is more of a technique book here. 1, 2, 3, rest. Your hand doesn't move, you're right there. And then the last 2 lines, the same thing for the left hand. Get the idea? Or the last line. Now, let's talk technique. They say finger independence. Well, good luck with that. I play by weight. The weight pushes the notes down. The gravity pushes. The weight of the hand and the arm and so forth is plenty. I mean, it takes no effort to push a note down. And it takes less effort to hold it down once it's down. So I'm on here and I'm putting the weight on this note, on that finger, just dropping it down. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. Stay relaxed. Then I'm transferring it over here and I'm just kind of walking on the keyboard. I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger and I'm just lowering which finger I want the weight to be on. So it's here. And then I'm transferring the weight here and I'll exaggerate the motion so you can see it better. It's then down, then down, then down. I'm just transferring weight. It's like walking. When you transfer weight from one leg to the other, that's all I'm doing here, only I got 4 fingers going on. The hands, the fingers are right on the keys. They don't need to lift up. You don't have to lift up to push down. The weight's pushing it down. You're here, and then just lay them on the key and the weight. And then here, and then here. It takes no effort. The only effort is actually wiggling the fingers because the gravity's doing the work. Here. Second line, here. Same technique. And the same in the left hand. Yeah. You get the idea? That's all we're doing here. You ought to do both hands together if you want. Sounds funny, but hey. And then however you want to do it. The idea is transferring weight from finger to finger and staying relaxed. The wrist collapse a little bit if you need to. Now there is a note up here at the top underneath the colored box. Circle all the fourths in this place. A fourth is an interval of a fourth. Find the intervals of a fourth in the music and circle those. For instance, the first 2 notes, C to F, that's a fourth because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an interval of a fourth. So you would circle those 2 notes. And again, each time you get that, and then the second line, it's G, D and a G, that's a fourth. So you circle those 2 notes all the way down. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions on that one. Now there's a note at the bottom here. You can do the last bike to finish had a flat tire. Play it again slowly with a staccato. Here you're not transferring weight necessarily because you're using the wrist. It's up to you. You can do that. Let's play this together slowly just to check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. As far as the MF and all that, I'm not going to worry about it. Really what we want is this technique of transferring weight from finger to finger. That's what we need to be concentrating on. Now it says moderately fast, but that's if you want to play it. You see, if you do that, your wrist will start to move in a curve. It'll start to move in a circle, but it does it by itself. I don't force it to. It just happens. And if it doesn't happen, fine. Big deal. It's just relax and let it. Because that's as I'm passing weight from finger to finger, that's what the wrist just kind of does whatever the wrist does. Yeah. Let's play this together slowly and just make sure you got the notes and rhythms all right. The moderately loud thing, I'm not going to worry about it. You take care of that. But let's try it here. You're here, and the left hand's here. We're in C position and here. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, three, rest. Two, three, rest. Two, three, rest. One, two, three, rest.